Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. How to control your PMS symptoms. What can you as a woman do about controlling your PMS symptoms? It is not fun to have PMS take over your life and leaving you unable to function at work or at home. A woman desires to gain back control over her body, emotions and state of mental clarity. There are plenty of things that a woman can do to control her PMS symptoms so she can be more comfortable during her menstrual cycle. The first thing a woman can do to control her PMS symptom is not to get discouraged. Many women are also experiencing the same PMS disease, and it is important to know that you are not alone in your battle to control your PMS. There are many ways to help you gain back control over your life, such as taking medications, participating in various relaxation therapies, improving dietary habits, and making lifestyle changes such as avoiding alcohol and caffeine that can also help in controlling the number of symptoms and the severity of the symptoms. A symptom journal is one way for a woman to gain control over her PMS. A symptom journal can be a wonderful tool for doctors to gain better insight into the world of PMS and how the symptoms impact the woman's life. The symptom journal can also help design the treatment plan, because the goal of the treatment plan is to minimize symptoms. A woman can further control her PMS symptoms by learning what foods can minimize the intensity of her symptoms, such as eating more complex carbohydrates like pasta, whole grains and cereal. It is also beneficial to eat more fiber and protein. She should cut back on consuming sugar, salt and fat if she wants to minimize symptoms. She should also cut back on her consumption of caffeine, because it can help her to control her symptoms of irritability and breast tenderness. A woman definitely has control over her diet, and therefore by learning what foods she should be eating and which foods she should be avoiding in order to minimize her symptoms, she is being more in control of her PMS. If she drinks alcohol, avoiding or at least cutting back on the amount of alcohol she consumes will help to decrease her risk for depression during the luteal phase of her menstrual cycle. She should also eat smaller, more frequent meals to reduce bloating and that full feeling she experiences during PMS. Aerobic exercise can give her a greater sense of control over her mood and emotional state, because exercise brings out endorphins, which make you feel good. A woman can also find control when she gets plenty of sleep, 8 hours minimum each night. If she keeps her routine on a regular schedule of when she goes to bed, when she gets up, when she eats her meals and snacks and when she exercises, she will find that her schedule will be less stressful, and this will give her more control over some of the symptoms of PMS. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.